All right, we're trying to figure out total net interest. And I'm going to just use I equal PRT instead of A equal P1 plus R over N to the NT, because I think this would be nasty to square or cube or whatever we have to do to it. So we have I equals, if I can get my pencil to work, I equals 8,000 for 1 year at simple annual interest of 6%. All right, so that's going to be 480. So let's circle that because I'll need to add that in a minute. I don't want to lose it. And then I've got 10,000 compounded semi-annually at 8%. So every 6 months. So it's I equal PRT. T is time in years. So that would be 1/2 year. And so this 2, we're going to that 0.04. So that's going to be 400. And let's, don't want to lose it. Now I've got $10,400 at 8% for the last half of the year. And that's going to be 0.04. This is my first nasty math, but it's not bad. 10,400 times 0.04. That's 0,0164. So it's $416. That was not bad at all. Now add all those together. This is the last two are 816, and then add a 480, and that's 6,912. Yep, that's the answer.